how to create clips from your Amazon live stream. So if you're an Amazon influencer, you can now create clips from a previously recorded live stream, which is pretty awesome. Now I'm going to show you how that works, and I've done it with the iPhone and using the Amazon Live app. And when you're done with your stream, or you can actually go back to past streams and get a clip from that and then use it via your influencer store or use it on your other social media. So how do we do that? Let's get into it. Okay, so here is the previous live stream we just did. Okay, and as you can see, now they have this create a clip. So when we do that, we're going to tap on that. All right, so here is giving me an option for my stream to create a clip. So they're suggesting to do about 5 minutes. And if you toggle this part, it tells you if it's too long or if it's too short, and you can just move that around until you find the clip that you want to use. Okay. Now the other thing that it will show you is a heat, like a heat waveform, which is blue. So I don't have one here right now. So if you wanted to use that clip right there, this is me using the Zoom recorder. Okay, then you have the option to save that as a new clip, and then that's going to be saved to your iPhone, or in this particular case, this is iPad. And now you're going to be able to grab that clip, upload it to your Amazon store, and use it as a new video, shoppable video, or use it on your YouTube for whatever other purpose that you would like. I think that's a very cool option. Let's just save that one, show you what it looks like, and it gives you, you can name the clip. So let's just name it something that I'll remember. Zoom Red H1N. Okay, and this is audio recorder. Okay, so you're going to save that information. Now it's starting your video clip creation, and then when it's ready, you'll be able to download it and use it. So I think that's a very very good option, and you can actually make as many clips as you want from your live stream. Very awesome. If you got any more questions, let me know. I'll be happy to show you how that's done. See you in the next one. Bye.